Part two, let's open them. So this one says graded sports card pack. 2020 Panini Contenders Jerry Rice. That's a fairly new card, but I love Jerry Rice. So what you see up here is the best thing I could find on the Jerry Rice card. I think that's it. If this price is right, it looks like I broke even on the $75 I paid. This. Do some research. Ooh, look at that. 1989 Ken Griffey Jr. PSA 10. Find out what it's worth. Well, we got the right card. Look at the price. That's intense. I did see one going for $16,000, but they're just listed for sale and not sold. And then I saw a couple of different grades that were much lower going for a couple $100 each that had already sold. So I guess we're going to assume that I got my money back on everything and some more, but you guys chime in on the comments. Let me know what this thing is actually worth. I don't collect these things. Ooh, I don't know anything about this. That's in Japanese. 2023 Pokemon Bramblin. You guys know what this is? I knew who Jerry Rice was. I know who Ken Griffey Jr. is. Definitely know nothing about Pokemon. This one says around 30 bucks. Is that right? And the fourth one. 2023 Pokemon Varoom. All right, final one. It looks like 30 bucks on this one as well. Now, you guys, please, if anything is wrong here, I am literally shooting in the dark trying to Google. I don't know anything about this stuff. If my prices are wrong or something is worth more or less, shout it out here. If you got a link to something different, let us know. Maybe the rest of us can learn something.